Hey guys, it's your girl Savannah, and today we're going to be doing the life of a squishy scammer. So right now I'm going to do the life of a squishy scammer, and then part 2 is going to be the orderer getting their scammed squishies. So let's get right on the video. Hey guys, it's me Catherine. And today we're going to be doing a squishy package. It's this one girl, I think her name was Savannah or something, she ordered some squishies. So here's the invoice. First thing she ordered is an eye bloom apple. Okay, let me get my bin. And plus, I'm just going to put it in this bag that I found laying around my house. It says thank you on it. Sorry guys. Sure, she ordered an eye bloom apple. I have an eye bloom apple, but I don't want to give it to her, bro. Sorry, I have an eye bloom apple, but I don't want to give it to her. So, you know what? I'm just going to give her this Shopkin stress ball. See, it's way more better. See, it's much more slow rising. See how slow rising that is? See, it's so nice. And, like, see no defects at the top at all. This was supposed to be brown, but it came off, but whatever. So yeah, no defects. It's a nice squishy, better than the eye bloom apple, so yeah. And that one costed $6. Next one is Billy the Whale, which costed $10. I do have Billy the Whale. He's very nice, squishy, and he actually has a couple rips in him, and he's defected a lot. This is coming off technically, but let's just give this to the girl, and that was $10. Next one on the invoice is jumbo ice cream, which is $30. I don't have a jumbo ice cream, and I'm not gonna go out to go buy one just for the girl, so she can keep this. Where is it? Here it is. This is way more better than a jumbo ice cream. It's more squishier, and yeah, this is way better than a real jumbo ice cream. And this one is actually, don't tell anybody, but this is cheap knockoff from Amazon. But yeah, I hope she enjoys this jumbo ice cream. This was $30, so she's getting a really good deal for this one. Okay. Hello Kitty. Oh, Hello Kitty donut, sorry. $15. I don't have a real Hello Kitty donut. I was thinking about buying one at Claire's, but I didn't because I didn't want to, so I guess I gotta give her this one. Here's this nice Hello Kitty donut. It is, I call this one, what did I call it? Dense donut, because it's very dense and it ripped. So yeah. It's really ripped, so, and it has a bunch of defects, and plus it's really dense, and see right here, the paint is actually coming off, but that's fine, she'll like it anyway, she won't even tell the difference. That was $15. Last one on here is a panda bun. That was $100. I'm making money, honey. Gummy. I have this really nice panda bun. I drew on it, and you can see that's how white it's supposed to be, but it's not. It's brown because I've been playing with it and it's dirty, and it has like pen all over it. My little sister drew on it. So yeah. And there's little hairs from my dog on it, so she won't mind. And last thing on the list was a pink slime. Here's this slime that I'm giving her. It's Pinkie Pie slime. And it's very sticky. Ew. I don't even want to touch it. Ugh, gross. Pop that in the bag. Okay. Let me put my invoice card in. Let's put this in the mailbox. The mailman will pick it up and ship it on over. Oh, I almost forgot her invoice. Can't ever forget the invoice. Let me just close up my squishy bin. Wait. Yeah, never mind. Let's just put that in there. We just gotta go out to our mailbox and go put this in there and wait for the mailman. Let's go. I'm going to the mail. Okay. So don't kiss. My mom just thinks because I'm doing this at my mom's house, she says don't scare people. Oh, it's rained. It's raining outside. Hold on, guys. Let me just put my shoes on. I'll just put my heels on. I got my baggie. Let's go. Let's head outside. Okay, we're outside. Let me go ahead and put this on in our mailbox. Bye everybody. The video should be posted. I'm gonna watch the girl's reaction to her squishy package. See you later everybody. Bye.